be. I've been going nowhere lately. It's time to start all over and go for it. 'Cause they don't even know me yet. But that's
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another Glam Life vlog. Today is another shoot day. I feel like I shoot content literally every single day. If you guys are new to my channel, hi guys, my name is Arika. I do some beauty, fashion, and fitness videos here on YouTube, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click on the subscribe button below. So this is my first vlog back from Miami. Oh, and also if you want to keep in touch with me on all of my social media platforms, it is right here. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter and Facebook and TikTok and all of that good stuff. So yeah, today I'm actually shooting content and it is my first vlog or first day back from Miami. If you guys haven't seen some of my Miami content, definitely check it out on Instagram. I want to share with you guys the little accessories that I actually brought to Miami, and I wear their jewelry all the time. It is from Ana Luisa. They come in little bags like this so you can travel with them. So I'm actually on set today wearing one of the necklaces here. It is so cute. I actually made a little reel that I put on my Instagram of all of my little Ana Luisa accessories that I brought to Miami, but this is one of my favorites. I'm going to show you guys the other ones right now. I also got this really cute heart necklace, and I also got this blue one. I love bringing little accessories like this, especially on shoot days, because I just like accessorizing with little dainty pieces to wear every single day during the day, and then whenever I shoot pictures and stuff like that, I bring them, and I bring them in these little pouches. They are so amazing. Ana Luisa gives back 100% of the carbon emissions they use. They are a sustainable brand, and they are a really cute brand that I've been supporting and loving and wearing from New York, and they just have the cutest stuff, you guys. So love them so much. Wearing this necklace today for today's shoot. I'm shooting some content for a drink company and then doing some stuff for my YouTube channel. So yeah, this is the necklace that I chose. This is the one that I actually wore. It's the Dior Cafe in Miami, and I just love it. It's super cute and super dainty, and I just feel like it just like makes the outfit a little extra glam and extra cute. So definitely check out Ana Luisa, and I also linked it below. It is a really cute company. I love Ana Luisa so much, so definitely check them out. Hey guys, there's no line outside of House of CB. This literally never happens. We just finished the House of Gucci premiere.
Father, son, House of Gucci.
Oh yeah, that was the thing. Oh my god, she only said it like one time though. I thought she would say it more. This is Quentin.
What's up? What's up?
He invited me. Wore this purple fit. Quentin wore this. Oh wait, I wanted to show your outfit.
Oh, my outfit.
Cute. And yeah, it's like was super cold, so I'm so glad I brought this. But I only got it like the last 5 seconds because I was really cold. Hey guys, so does it even look like I had a crazy workout? I actually just worked out at Dog Pound. I had a really sweaty, crazy workout, but I guess I did my little light glam. Okay, so I wore a little bit of light glam because I slept so late, guys. I slept at midnight. Well, I got home around midnight, so I slept probably like 12:30, and I went to the House of Gucci movie premiere with Lady Gaga. She was there. Oh my gosh, and she was incredible in the movie. The movie was so amazing. I went with my friend Quentin. If you guys saw the vlog footage right before we saw the movie, I saw some friends. We ate a little bit of popcorn and hung out. It was so fun, and it was at the Academy Motion Picture Museum. So it was really cool because that place is like new, and it's like where the Oscar Museum is. Yeah, I just worked out. I'm going to go home, make a vegan protein shake, and do some work. But life has been so fun as always. it's just been on and on and on. And then I'm going to, oh yeah, and then I got my hair done yesterday, like super cute, like soft waves, but it was kind of like this like soft, like not super wavy. Like I always do like really like curly, but I did it softer, and I really liked the hair yesterday. It was so fun. And then tomorrow I'm shooting with like a wet hair look, so creating a lot of content, hanging out with my friends, and enjoying this like winter time, because it is November. It's like cold for LA, like 65 degrees, like 50 something, so it is pretty cold, which I feel like, you know, it's starting to feel like holidays, and next week is Thanksgiving. It's so crazy. But yeah, I'm gonna do some work today, but I did start off my day with an amazing workout, which I love, and I did record it for my reels and my Instagram. So there's always a lot of platforms that I have to like always record for, or like create content for, which is so much fun. I love it. I'm so grateful for this job, or like this career. It's crazy to say that it's my job. Like I still, even after like a decade of doing it, or like over a decade, I'm like, it's actually really my job. So I'm super grateful, feeling super happy this Friday morning. So I am going to head home, shower, and work. So yeah, I just want to summarize like my day yesterday, because I wasn't able to, because I was like go, you know. So all right guys, I am going to head home now. Okay, you guys, it is Black Friday today, so I had the most amazing Thanksgiving with my friends and family yesterday. So I'm home. Black Friday is a work day for content creators and bloggers. If you guys are content creators out there, you already know how it is. There's so many deals and so many brands promoting their sales. Everybody is pretty much on sale, like every brand, everything. So I just got done doing 2 hours on Amazon Live, you guys. It was so much fun. I feel like I was talking for the whole 2 hours, which I was, but I just got done. I literally just wear a simple outfit on Amazon Live, because it's just like basically like from my chest up, and I just have it filming in here in my glam room right here. But yeah, I am actually kind of tired. I'm probably gonna just eat something and just chill for the rest of the day. But I have my full makeup on and my hair done because I was on Amazon Live, and I can go out tonight. I'm probably just gonna switch my outfit and just go out. But I wore my Ana Luisa little necklace that I love so much. I've been wearing this since Miami. I just love their jewelry so much. So if you guys want to check out Ana Luisa, they are also having Black Friday deals and holiday deals, so definitely check them out. I love Ana Luisa. They have the cutest little accessories, and I wear them in all of my little stories, lives, content creation, everything. Even going out tonight, I will probably be wearing this and maybe glam it up with some more earrings. But definitely check out Ana Luisa. They are having a sale as well. So I'm actually gonna close this vlog right here, end the vlog, and I'm gonna organize some of my stuff that I just had on Amazon Live, just clean up the mess, and I'll start another vlog after this. Just wanted to vlog and show you guys what happened in the past few days and this week. So that's actually it for my vlog. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys want to see more videos from me, click on the subscribe button below, and also make sure to thumbs up the video if you guys like this, and also make sure to follow me on all of my other social media platforms. I actually have 2 boxes of makeup that I filled as a giveaway. So all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, leave a comment below. I'm gonna show you guys the makeup in a second, but I filled up 2 big makeup boxes because it is the holidays. I'm gonna be doing one probably like every single video, but I filled 2 big makeup boxes with makeup, so I'll be giving that away. I'm gonna have 2 winners here. Definitely leave a comment below. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next vlog. I'll be filming all of my fun holiday festivities. Bye guys. Mwah.